Hi everyone, we'll see today's topic is FET. FET is nothing but field effect transistor. Again, it's a semiconductor device that consists of a channel made up of semiconductor material with two electrodes connected at the either end, namely called as drain and the source. The flow of current between the source and drain terminals is controlled by third electrode known as gate. So we have three terminal for FET, that is gate, drain and source. By applying a voltage at the gate terminal, the number of charge carriers in the channel can be modulated, leading to the corresponding change in the current flow between the source and the gate terminals. The FET is classified into two types based on its modes of operation, namely the enhancement mode and depletion mode of FETs, depending on whether the voltage applied at the gate terminal increases or decreases the current flow through the channel. Now, how does a FET work? When a voltage is applied to the gate electrode, an electric field is created across the insulating layer, which in turn creates a depletion region in the channel. Now, this depletion region reduces the number of free charge carriers in the channel and thus conductivity of the channel is reduced. This effect is known as field effect and it's the basis of FET operation. In case of N-type, the negative voltage applied to the gate electrode creates a depletion region in the channel, which reduces the flow of electrons from the source to the drain. In contrast, a positive voltage is applied to the gate electrode of P-type of FET. That creates a depletion region that reduces the flow of holes from the source to the drain. This completes FET.